Hey there, folks. We've had a long winter. It's mid-May. We're starting to get some sunshine, and very soon we're going to have some excavators come in and finish the clearing of the land. So come on, let me show you the trail. So this here is the driveway. It's going to be grubbed off a little bit on the sides right here. And you can see up right here, it's going to be widened out a little bit over this way. These sticks are going to be removed. These moose rocks, thanks Ryan, they're going to be removed as well. The grade on this here is actually going to come up a little because it's a little low. This here was actually a lot of water here over the winter that froze because there's bedrock underneath. So this will all be filled in and brought up to about this height right here. And then we're going to be coming out onto the land, and all this is going to be grubbed off. And we have places down there and there, drop-offs, where a lot of the grubbing are going to be put. So now I'm going to show you what the land looks like now. Pretty rocky grubbings, but all this is going to be taken care of. It's about, I think, a half acre, maybe a little bit more. It's going to look good once it's done. And there you have it. This is the, I guess, the pre-excavation stage of the project. Couple of weeks, we're going to have excavators in to level all this up, and I'll be sure to take some more video and show you what it looks like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.